So I found this really cool wire wall shelf at Lowe's, and it's 18 inches by 12 inches, and it will fit perfectly on one of these wire rack shelves that with the roll out. You get these at Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco. But anyway, this guy will fit right on here with some J hooks. I'm gonna actually mount it upside down because I want these ledges on here so things don't fall off when you move it around. And these are J hooks that I got. They're not the right size to fit on this pipe, but I was able to bend them, and I'll show you those in another video. Check out the link at the end of this video, and they will be mounted into here through that hole. This is what they look like when they're bent, the right size, and they'll clamp in and hold on to this rack. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna mount this shelf, like I said, upside down. So I have these little ledges here so things won't work their way off and fall off when you're moving this rack around. And I'm using my specially modified J hook, which I made the hook larger and cut off the end here so it's right size. All right, so let's get started. We'll mount this on right here using the modified J hooks I made. We got them all kind of finger tight started here, and then we'll cinch them down once we get it the height adjusted. Already pretty good just with the two. And for the last one. All right, that looks good. The shelf is made to hold 25 pounds. I think I won't be putting that much on there, but I think I should hold it with these hooks on there like that. So there you have it. All finished.